So class, let us start with the video class of geography, first chapter, that is resources. So what is resources? First of all, let us understand that what is geography. So geography is nothing but to study about our earth. It is to study and to know more about of our earth. Okay. Now resources. To study about our earth means it comes the environment, it comes the resources, it comes the solar system. So in the 6th standard we have learned about the solar system. In 7th we have learned about the environment. What is the environment? The surrounding around us is called as the environment. And there are 3 components of the environment. What are they? Natural, man-made and the human. These are the 3 components of the environment. So this is the basic of the environment. Next is, today in this 8th standard we are going to start with the new chapter, that is resources. Okay, your first chapter of geography is resources. Now what is resources? Everything, anything around us in the environment which are useful to us, which are in need to us, is called as resources. What is resources? Anything, everything that around us which are useful to us is called as resources. Okay, anything that can be used to satisfy a need of is a resources. So if we need something and we are using a substance to satisfy our need, it is called as a resources. For example, I want to write on a board now. Okay, in this blackboard I want to write. Now what I am going to use now? I want a chalk piece. So that chalk piece is nothing but a resources. This chalk piece is nothing but a resources. So example, it is water, air, land, textbook, metals, a chalk piece, a duster, a desk. Okay, so all these things are the resources. All these things are what? They are the resources. Now, utility. The things what we use is called utility or usability. So, the things what we use, I am using this chalk to write on the board. So, this is a utility. What is this? This is a utility or a usability. Right? Then utility or usability makes an object or substance a resources. Utility or usability of a objects make a resources. Now this chalk piece which I am using, it is in use. This is an utility. So this is a resource for me. This is a resource. Now all resources have some value. So all the resources whatever we get around us, so it has a value. Value means worth. What is value? Value means worth. It may be economical. Okay. So this chalk piece I had to give some money and I had to buy it. Some are there the resources like the field or the land or the landscape. Okay, a beautiful landscape with full of greenery. So that landscape is also in usability, is in utility, because we are growing a field over there, we are growing crops over there. Okay, but it has a worth, it has a value in it. Okay, and this chalk piece, it is also having a value. Okay, some resources can become economical valuable with time. So some resources can become economical. Economical means financially, or you can buy with the help of money. Okay, it can become valuable with time. Now for example, we can take a mobile now. Okay, your smartphones. This smartphones is a need today. In everyone's hand, our education is running in the mobiles. So many things are there in this smartphone now. So this is what, this resource with time it has become valuable. So with time it has become valuable. So in olden days when there was only land phone, so it was not necessary that each and every person had this phone. the land phone, it was not there, it was not necessary. But in today's era, in today's year, what is there? Each and every person has a phone. Okay, he or she has a phone because it has a value now. What is? It has a value. It is a worth. It is utility. It is in usability for us in today. Time and technology are the two important factors that can change substance into resources. So, time and technology, with time and with technology. For example, we'll take again the phone, your smartphone. So, what happens? First, there was a land phone, right? But has the time changed? We had a smartphone now. Land phone to smartphone. So, there is a technology. What is there? The improvement in the technology was being seen over here. Are two important factors that can be changed substance into resources. For example, you can also take a metal. Okay, a gold. When it is inside the earth, under the earth, full of covered with mud, and it is mixed with other metals, it is have no use. But when it is dug up, it is being refined. Okay, so all after having all those technology, we are having a gold as a precious metal. We are using gold as what? A precious metal over here. So this time and technology are two important factors. These are two important basic needs, okay, that can change the substance into resources. This can change the substance into what? Resources. Knowledge, ideas, invention and discoveries. So this knowledge, ideas, invention and discoveries of whom? Of we the human beings. We the human beings, we are having our own knowledge. We are having new ideas. We are having invention. We are trying some experiments. We are having new invention with us. And discoveries, we are discovering so many things around us, okay, that lead to the creation of more resources, that gives us more resources. What it gives? It gives us more resources. So, this is the about the resources. In short, what is resource? A substance or a material what is in use or utility, okay, and it has its value which is in worth, is called as what? It is called as resources. It is called as what? It is called resources. So students, till here, this is the today's video. Okay, we will continue in our next video. Thank you.